What's good, Breather Club? It's your boy Breather35 back with another video and back with another unboxing. Thank you so much to the bro for hooking me up with these items inside. Although it looks small in comparison to what I've received from him in the past, inside is one particular item that I'm really excited for, and I hope that you'll like it as well. The first thing I'm going to present to you is a small item. It is the NXT special poster. NXT came to Australia. My mate went to the one in Canberra, I believe, and I know Moderate Red, he went to the NXT in Perth and he got to meet Samoa Joe as well as Asuka. He also received this poster here. It's quite small, as you can probably see. Here's the KWP title here, so hopefully that gives you a bit of a comparison. But there it is, really dope. It's signed by everybody who participated in the NXT tour in Australia. The only person that didn't sign it was Austin Aries because he's injured. But as you can see, you've got Glorious Bobby Roode, you've got Samoa Joe, the former NXT champion, Nakamura, the NXT champion, Asuka, the women's champion. You've got the tag teams. This here, in regards to how many too sweets this is, I'm going to give it a 3 out of 5 too sweets. Allow me to present to you my newest purchase. It's a Bullet Club t-shirt, but this t-shirt is not just any Bullet Club t-shirt. This is autographed by a whole heap of Bullet Club members.
Bullet Club for life.
Thank you, bro, once again for hooking me up. Words escape me once again. Anyway, if you like this video, then feel free to give this video a like. Leave a comment down in the comment section down below of what you think of the purchases that I've received from the bro. Anything else? Oh yes, tomorrow I'm going to upload a video of my top 10. I don't know if there was 10 or not, but nevertheless, my top 10 wrestling pickups for 2016. I hope you tune in for that one. This is Breather35 out because I'm just talking too much and I'll just talk too much rubbish. Anyway, as always, thank you for watching this video, and again, somebody too sweet, man.